Hello everyone, welcome to my video this week. It is currently a blizzard here in Virginia Beach in Virginia. It has been snowing for the past at least 7 hours and it's still going. It is so beautiful out here today. It's like not too cold, there's like a wind chill and the snow is super powdery and it's like crunchy underneath our feet. It's not super sloppy or slushy or anything. I'm loving it. And I thought, since this is the first snowstorm of the year in 2018, that I would film it and film everything I do today. So this is going to be a little vlog today. It's currently 12 in the afternoon and we woke up and ate a big old breakfast and I've just been playing in the snow, and we try to start Chance's dad's Jeep today, but the brake line is rusted, so we can't really go anywhere in that. We were gonna go to Walmart and get some stuff. Like, the kids don't have any snow clothes, so we're gonna go and get them snow boots, and I was gonna get some tea and some snacks and stuff. That's okay. If I'm desperate, there's a 7-Eleven I could walk to, which would be kind of nice actually. Maybe I'll convince Chance to go with me to 7-Eleven for a little bit, but I'm hoping today is super fun and relaxing. I'm gonna play some games, make some food, and just enjoy the snow day. I'm gonna film bits and pieces of around the neighborhood that we're in right now and all the snow that's falling, and maybe we'll build a snowman. Do you want to build a snowman? I want to build a snowman. This is the backyard currently. It's so pretty. I love standing out here in between all these houses, but because I can tell that people are doing their laundry or drying their clothes right now. So I can smell like the laundry sheets out here. It smells cozy and warm and awesome. I love it. Just got some hot cocoa inside. I'm gonna go back inside now and drink some of that. There's Ryder in his little sweater. Hi! Do you enjoy the snow? No, you don't. You don't enjoy the snow. We got him this little like sweater vest and it's just a little too small, huh? Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Hi, Sadie. Hey, Sadie. Hey, Sadie. So, it's nice and cozy and warm in here. I have my camera set to auto so it like automatically filters in the light and the brightness and stuff. I'm just gonna keep it on that today because it's annoying to switch it from inside to outside constantly. This is my hot cocoa courtesy of 7-Eleven. I just want to say thank you to all of those people who are still working today. You rock.
The snowplows get police escorts, and they get the police escorts because last year they realized that people do not respect the snowplows. But they do respect police. The escort to these snowplows. How are they not slipping? It's really a sight to see. You have like 10 snowplows, and they're all following a police officer. Sometimes there's an officer behind. Now, in the distance, coming back here live, going down Mercury, you can see.
I like extra credit.
You ready to whoop some butts?
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna beat all y'all.
I'm just learning.
Jeez. Back into the deck. So I just put them randomly back into the deck.
You pull all the exploding kittens out.
Finally, I'm in a video.
Eerie potato cat.
Put my channel down in the description. Or
If y'all want to follow Raquel's YouTube channel,
Yeah.
you want to subscribe to it, it's down in the description. She does a lot of Briar Horse videos.
If you
Tell us
guys
about your
even know
channel.
what that is.
Yeah, tell us about your channel.
I like animals, and then I maybe will make a video today too.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
It's
I
about
love it.
horses. Yeah.
Horses? You love animals?
Yeah, and
I like
then
it.
yeah, it's gonna take me a long time to upload some videos because school
Yeah.
is dumb.
Don't say that. You're gonna lose your
No, guys, school is cool. Not for me though, just saying. Okay, that's it.
That was an awesome 2 cents. Good job. So we're playing Exploding Kittens. You have to take all of the Exploding Kittens in the... Okay, cool.
Yeah, he's smart.
So these are the Exploding Kitten cards. I don't know if y'all have ever played this game. Good
But
job.
it's fun.
I'm glad you know how to read,
I'm good
Chance.
at it.
Good job.
Finally you're good at
Basically
something.
like a crazy version of Uno. I bought it for the kids for Christmas off of Amazon.
Yeah, I'm a kid. I like cats and Caleb likes explosions.
Yeah, I was like, for Caleb who likes explosions and Raquel who loves kittens. Exploding Kittens.
It's a good flip game on YouTube. Some people play
Yeah, I've seen some people play
Toy
it on
Box
YouTube.
Collectibles play it. That has Cupquake and Red. Yeah.
Yeah?
They have a good channel and they play it sometimes.
Never heard of them. Are they like older? Do they just play games? They test out stuff or?
Yeah, they test out stuff.
That's
and they
cool.
have a dog named Ruby, which is a Yorkshire Terrier.
Those are the exploding
Who?
kittens there.
Matt Shea. He's very popular. I don't know how you know.
Matt Shea.
You don't know him.
I watch very specific YouTubers. I don't venture
He's like
too
gaming
far. I
channels.
want to watch some different YouTubers for
Can-
sure. Comment down below if you have any good YouTubers you want me to watch. I need some suggestions, y'all.
Matt Shea.
Matt Shea. No, I watch PewDiePie.
Don't watch PewDiePie.
PewDiePie.
Don't watch him. No, it's not.
Also, Stacy Plays.
I've watched her.
Don't watch Daisy.
Thanks to you.
I told you to watch her.
Yeah.
Okay, baby. Okay, baby.
I'm gonna use
Can I,
this.
look
You
at
have a
my
total of
cards?
5 cards, everyone.
Everyone should have a total of 5
There's a
cards.
very
Sir.
small channel. It's called Okay
Enough
Baby. It's
exploding
actually-
kittens back
Okay,
into
baby.
the deck
Okay, baby.
I got a scared.
so that there is
Alright,
one
I'm
fewer
gonna
than
set y'all aside for a little bit.
She's gonna maybe show you my dog. Yeah, I have a dog, so yeah.
I've showed Sadie
You have?
Yeah.
When?
today and a couple other times she's in one of my videos. It's just like Uno, where your first turn, you play a card, and you have to pick up a card every turn. So even if you have no cards to play, you still have to draw.
Yeah, so we learned that the hard way. Yeah. Didn't pick up cards. We were like,
cards with no instructions. Some cards don't have any instructions on them. These cards must be collected and played as pairs. If you play matching pairs with no instructions on
Also,
them,
Chance.
pick another player and steal a random card from their hand. What's
I
up?
have 5.
You
Wait,
guys
can I
have
show the
exploding
cards
kittens
to
or
the
an extra diffuse?
No, I have one diffuse. I have
One diffuse. One diffuse.
Oh.
Everybody gets one diffuse.
That's what it says. So
Oh, everyone gets one diffuse?
Yes.
how many did you get?
That's what it says right
Okay, give me
here.
one.
Put the rest of them back. So
Give me
one
the diffuse.
for-
Here,
One
take
less
that
than
one that's
people
not
play.
diffuse.
Three.
I have 5 cards.
Wait, what is this?
That's a diffuse.
You
That's
already have one?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
extra.
Okay.
Oh, now
How
we
many
have
cards
4
do you have?
cards.
4?
Yeah.
Okay, you need 1. We're all supposed to get 5, right?
I
Yes.
have 5 cards.
You already have 5 cards?
Yes.
With
I
the exploding
have
kitten?
5.
Yeah.
They all have,
Without-
Without the exploding kit, we're gonna have 5.
2 of them
She had
have.
6. I'm like, why do you have 6 cards though? I thought
Okay.
your hand looked bigger than usual.
so-
Okay,
So
so
if you get an exploding kitten, it doesn't matter when you draw that exploding kitten card, you're done. You're out of the game.
unless you have a diffuse card. And a diffuse card, and
Oh, everybody's allowed to see the diffuse one?
yeah, because we all have a diffuse. But
Mine's adorable.
if you-
Yours.
Pretty much the instructions are on the card. They're on the card.
If you have something
If you
like
get an exploding
a,
kitten, you lose if you don't have a diffuse.
Exploding kitten.
yeah, but if you do,
If
then
you do, then you're safe,
What is
and then if you
your,
get another one,
you
then
can put down as many cards as you want every turn. If you have random cards that don't have any instructions, if you have more than one of the same kind, you can put those down to take somebody's card. So like let's say I had 2 hairy potato cats. I put those down. I go, Chance, you give me one of your cards. If I have 3 of a kind, and I go, hey Chance, I want your diffuse card. I can do a specific card that you have.
Call now, 855-944.
So we keep on drawing cards.
I don't see this.
It.
944.
I don't see this 3. I don't see this 3 card thing on the.
It
On the
says in the
instructions.
video.
yeah, it does.
Watch the
I
video.
don't know, man.
Actually, it does.
So we keep on drawing cards till we
So you get an exploding kitten.
Whoever gets an exploding kitten, unless you have a diffuse card, you're dead.
And guys, we're gonna
That's
make
true.
a snowman
That's
after this, so yeah.
Are y'all learning it? I don't know, man. I don't see this rule about the 3 cards.
Where's your phone at, Chance?
I don't need a
Where's
phone.
your
I'm
phone?
reading
You need a
instructions
phone.
right here.
You need a
Let me see
phone.
the
I don't see any.
No, it actually did.
I don't
can't
see any
live without
words
my
on
phone.
there. What if it's over
See, 2
here?
of a kind, 3 of a kind. See,
It's right there.
right there.
I didn't read that side yet.
Oh, because
You know,
you
let
took
me
it.
read, okay?
Yeah.
If you play 5 cards that have different icons in the corners with instructions or without instructions or any combination, go through the discard pile and take a single card you'd like. Grab the pile quick
I didn't know about that one.
and to choose your card before you get note. I guess like if you see somebody play 5 cards, you have to like call them out.
Well, I guess you
The note card is like if you did skip for Raquel, she can put the note card down.
Like, no, I'm not gonna do it.
Oh, nope.
Yeah. Nope. It means whatever the previous person put down, if someone puts the note card down, they can
Like, say 2 of a kind, and then like,
You
look
need
down
that
on your
card?
card. Yeah.
yeah.
Nope.
Right. Exactly as 2 at a time, but you get to name a card you want from another player. If they do not have it, you take it. You get, if they have it, you get to take it. If not, you get nothing.
Okay, so 2 of a kind, you get like if I'm like Chance.
I didn't know that though. You don't get anything if you don't get it right.
That makes sense. But the 2 of a kind, you just give me any card you want.
Yeah.
Okay, you ready?
Yes.
All right.
Raquel's first.
Which way are we going? Clockwise or counterclockwise?
Welcome.
What do I do now?
You put down one, and then That's my thing though, is how are we gonna know? Like, what if someone just lies? Like, oh, I didn't get this. No, you got.
Okay, we gotta be truthful.
Yes.
Oh, and then.
Losers, and we won't play this game
Truthful on
again.
3. Truthful on 3. Truthful on 3.
I'm not
1, 2, 3. Truthful.
But yours is the one.
Yeah, I'll take that.
I feel bad for like.
Just showing your card.
Oh, what ugly it is.
Yeah.
Now look how adorable one of my cards are. Dun, dun, dun.
I can see it. I don't care.
You find.
It will protect you from the snow. Better for when you get some water yourself.
Yeah.
So big.
You'll never catch me alive.
Nice and rubby.
Correct
Pull that skin and get it rubbing.
How to pet a cat 101.
Oh yeah.
That's so nice. That's
so nice. Like that.
Oh, that's so nice. She's getting all the love. It feels so
Let
good.
me get that eye boogie from you.
Nah, Dad. Nah.
Sadie, get back.
Sadie, get down.
Sadie. Sadie. Say that for the baby. Right, puppy
That
dog?
hype will be out.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
All right,
Take to the no.
come on.
Let's go.
Come on, dog.
I have one.
I need to go get my wallet. Oh, never mind, I got it.
There's
I got
icicles.
my wallet. Taking a video or picture?
Just taking a little video. We are going to walk to the store right now again. Gonna take a nice little walk in the snow. Well, this is a cool view of myself with the hood on and stuff in the snow. It's awesome. Following Kansas footsteps. There. Almost home. Got our 7-Eleven stuff. Slowly but surely. Hey y'all, how's the snowman going? It's looking fat. I like it. Looks good. Did you give up on the head? Oh my gosh. How you feeling, Raquel?
Freezing.
Freezing? You warming them toesies up?
Yeah.
That is so warm. I want to sit with you.
What?
Film this.
Sadie bug. My dog. You're mine.
I feel so much better.
Yes.
Fresh clothes.
I can't even feel my toes. I can't feel the heat either.
You can't feel that?
No.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, you need to sit here for a hot second.
Yeah, finish cooking first.
I'm starting to feel it now.
Why?
You like pain and fire though.
Yeah, we're not leaving her allowed to use the fireplace.
How would they know? We had one little fire.
Okay, dogs. Right.
You ready?
Shake. Good. Lay down. Sadie, sit. Good boy. Sadie, come here. Sit. Sit. No.
Aw, she's a good girl. She did it.
That's good girl. Oh, you did, but still, it's a good. This is what I trained her to do.
Do you want to see our snowman now?
Sadie.
We helped Raquel and Caleb, the kiddos, and Hunter, Chance's dad, and Stacia build. They built theirs on their own, but then we helped Raquel build this little snowman.
It looks so good.
I love it. I like that he has a beard. It looks like he has a beard.
No, it's like a tongue, but
Oh, I
right.
see. I like it. It's a little
it's like a
bearded
mouth, and I
man.
put like two little red ones in the middle.
Aww. I love it.
other one looks
Represents
like
the
one on
children's
TV or
personality.
Yeah, y'all's actually looks
You
like.
should see the front with like the mouth and stuff.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna have.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
you
go
gotta
out there and film it. I'm gonna go
Yeah, it
out
looks
there.
way better from the front. It looks really good.
There you go.
Alright, here's Hunter and Stacia's. I'm about to go around. Hopefully I don't sink into the snow. This is snowman number 1, Hunter and Stacia's. He's got a pretty little smile. Is it a boy or a girl?
I don't know.
Okay. It's so cute. Look how happy it is. Oh, I like its like little side smile. That's cute.
Yeah.
Let's see what we've got here. We got some buttons. We got some little berries. A walnut as the nose, very creative. Some walnuts as ears. And some button eyes. And then a celery stick as the hair. I love it. And then over here, we have Raquel's that me and Chance helped her with, but it was mostly Raquel and Chance. We got 2 parts. The top part's the head. We got some gumdrop eyebrows, gumdrop mouth with a little tongue. I think it looks like a beard. Gumdrop nose, walnut eyes, celery stick, hair. It's so cute. It looks like a little like gnome snowman. It's so cute.
Not green.
So-
I hope y'all like
Playing
Saying Snowman. We're back inside now. I am freezing again. And we're playing another game.
This is my game. It's
I like
a horse
red.
game because I love
Zoe.
Good
horses.
color.
Yeah, girl.
Zoe, remember
Yes,
when I was
sir.
telling you he's my
Shuffle, you gotta
BFF
shuffle
and
it
not
like
yours,
this.
and you were like, well, I know more stuff about him, and I was like, oh, really? And you're like, yeah, what's his favorite color? And I'm like, I don't know, like blue, green, blue, blue. And you're like, no, it's red. Well, his favorite color is green.
What?
Yes.
You have everything in red.
Doesn't mean I don't like red.
Well, there is no red.
I don't believe this. I don't believe this.
So yeah, so I know more about him. So I guessed green before you did.
It's hard to find stuff in green, anyways.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
In green?
Yeah, because green
Yeah.
is
Heck
the amount
no.
of money and chicken nuggets.
Not
There's
really.
tons of awesome green stuff. I'm wearing green pants
There's
and a
a
green
lot of-
shirt right now. Look.
I'm
at
That's
that.
not.
talking.
I was about to say.
There's a lot of
Yeah.
awesome.
Bring the board over
This
here.
is what we're playing, y'all, in case you're interested. Fantasy Stables Junior Edition. Got a cheeky little
You would
Zoom
be
right now.
You would,
It's not
they'd be sponsoring
cheeky
you.
little
I don't
glass of
care.
wine.
You don't sponsor.
I don't care.
Alright, so everybody gets 3 horses to start.
Horsey horse horse.
Everybody needs to pick 3 of those horses from the top randomly. Split them up. Yeah, you are.
I'm not playing.
Yes, you are.
Wait, what time is it? What time is it?
It's time to
It
play.
has it.
No, what time is it?
It's time to play the horse game.
Oh, yay! I won that.
It's really dark in here. I'll use the stove as light. It's later on in the evening now, and we've all settled in, and we've been watching Young Sheldon, which is like the spin-off from The Big Bang Theory, and it is so freaking funny. Definitely gonna be in my next favorites video because I can see myself watching many more episodes. But I think we're just gonna watch the show and go to bed, so I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope if you got snoozing that you had tons of fun like I did today. It was such an awesome, relaxing day. And I hope you're safe and that I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.